Ketchup. All right. Some chip crumbs. Let's sprinkle in a little bit of hair. All right, let's see what this does. No way. That's crazy. What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I partnered with Dreame to show you the new Dreame Aero and Aero Pro wet dry vacuum cleaners. If you have a lot of hard surface flooring like I do, then this is something that you definitely need to know about. You can save a ton of time by vacuuming and mopping at the same time. These are designed for families and pets, and they are both very powerful with two different price points. I'm going to compare the two so I can help you make the best buying decision. I'm also giving one of these away to one of you, so watch until the end so you can find out how to win. Let's go ahead and jump right in, because after I show you what these can do, I have a feeling you're gonna want one. So let's start with the unboxing and design. I'm gonna leave some links down below so you can check current pricing, and if you catch this video at the right time, there'll be a promo code for a huge discount. You will pretty much get everything that you need to get started. They both come with extra filters, the power plug, a cleaning brush for maintenance, some multi-surface cleaner to get you started, which is awesome, the handle for the vacuum itself, and the base. So this is the base for the Aero, which is more basic. When you buy the more premium Aero Pro model, you get everything that you get with the Aero, but you get two multi-surface cleaner bottles, and the base is larger because it has an extra function built into it, and the colors are different. The Aero is the black model that you see, and the Aero Pro has a silver finish, so let me know which one that you like better. Before I show you what these can do, let me tell you what the differences are between the Dreame Aero and the Dreame Aero Pro so you can make the best buying decision. Besides the color difference, the design is very similar. They both have these LED screens on the handle, so it's really easy to see what mode you're in. The power button is right here, and to cycle through the modes, just hit this button to pick which mode you want. The Dreame Aero Pro does have a smart mode, which uses the built-in sensors to detect the level of dirt on your floor so it can automatically adjust as needed, where the Aero has a standard mode for one-touch cleaning. What I love is no matter how much money you spend, you still get this slim design and easy maneuverability. The body of this vacuum is only 3.88 inches, so that is thin. Look at the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra next to it. The design is clean because the dirty water tank is behind the unit, so if you plan to leave this out in the open, it's much more pleasant to look at. Since the brush is rotating, it's almost like it's pushing itself, so you barely have to push, and that means forwards and backwards. Look at how easy that is to pivot, so it almost takes no resistance at all. It's even easy enough for a kid to use it, so honestly add this to their easy to do chore list. Both of these can lay completely flat as well, so this opens up all the cleaning possibilities. So underneath tables and even low to the ground chairs, it's absolutely no problem. So I found it easy to clean every part of my downstairs with this, which I really appreciate. I can clean between my bar stools after the kids eat here. And on top of that, there is no suction loss at all when going completely flat, so that is awesome. They both have the same water tanks, 1000 milliliter clean water tank, which is bigger than most of the vacuums in its class, a 600 milliliter rated dirty water tank, which you will need to approximately empty every 30 minutes of cleaning. Both have the same suction power, so Dreame did not sacrifice in the power of the cheaper model, which I think is very respectable. And they both have Tangle Cut 2.0, so if you have pets, hair will not get tangled whenever you're cleaning. It's really impressive if you see it in person. The last difference I think is pretty big. The Aero has a docking base for charging. All you have to do is after you're done cleaning, just hit this button right here and it will start cleaning itself, which is great. But the Aero Pro has a bigger and taller dock because it has hot water circulation mop washing, and it also has 5-minute fast drying as an option too. So if you want to take it to another part of the house, you only need to wait 5 minutes. And when you just use auto mop drying, it is very quiet, so you don't have to worry about it waking up children or pets. The hot water washing on the Pro is important for removing stains off the mop and killing bacteria between cleans, so keep that in mind if you're making a decision between the two. The big advantage of these vacuums is that you can mop and vacuum at the same time, and even though there is a dry vacuum mode, it's not designed for carpet. Alright, so let's do some cleaning. The first thing you have to do is make sure you have some water in the tank. To get started, all you have to do is make sure you have water in the clean water tank at the bottom, and it detaches like this, and then you put water inside of it, and this is also where you mix in your cleaning solution. Just put a little bit in there because it is concentrated. Okay, so let's do some cleaning. You could either hit the power button over here, or you could just put your foot down, and it just starts right away. And it has dual edge cleaning on both sides, so you can get really, really close to the edge. And this is the quietest mode, and you can see how quiet that is. And then when you're done, stops on its own. For everyday cleaning, it's not gonna look like some of the drastic tests that I will show you, but first let's start with some juice or lots of liquid. All right, let's simulate a soda getting poured all over the ground. Oh, that is hard to watch. Okay, there we go. Because that is a clear liquid, that could be hard to see, but look at that. It's all over the ground. All right, here we go. There's that smart mode kicking in. And it is taking all that soda up with no issue. All right, and let's take a look. There's all of that soda right there. So I didn't know that the root beer was clear, so I had to put some Orange Robinsons in here so you can see it. And here we go. Look at that. Wow. So it did stop because it was full, but that's a full can of soda in here. Impressive. Let's do some dry vacuuming. You can see there's a bunch of chip crumbs right here. See how it does. All right, let's do it. All right, here's another good scenario. Gonna put some hair on the bathroom floor, and then we're going to vacuum that up. What? Look at that. No tangle, gone. That's crazy. Okay, one more test. Look at that, soda on the ground, more chip crumbs, and hair. Look at all that. And we're gonna do it with the Aero this time, the cheaper one, and see how it does. All right, let's do it. Wow, just the same result. Incredible. So you're gonna get the same amount of suction power and cleaning power no matter how much you spend. That's great. And here is all of that mess in here. And when you take this out, look, all of the funk is right here. So you can empty that separately, and then, yuck, there's all the hair too. I almost forgot one difference, and that is battery life. So the Dreame Aero can have up to 35 minutes of runtime, which will be enough for most people, but the Dreame Aero Pro can run up to 60 minutes on a single charge, so that is insane. And that'll definitely be enough to get through all of your cleaning in one charge, so definitely get the Pro for that extra battery power. So that about does it for the Dreame Aero and the Dreame Aero Pro. I think no matter what your budget is, you're getting a solid vacuum and mopping experience across the board. Between the two, they share a lot of the core features that actually matter. So if you're on a budget and want an awesome clean, then go for the cheaper Aero. But if you want that longer lasting battery life, smart mode for automatic dirt detection, hot water mop washing with 5-minute quick dry, and you also want a speaker that tells you what's going on.
Drying complete. Please clean the used water tank. Start charging.
That is only on the Pro model, so let me know which one that you like in the comment section below and which one that you're gonna pick up. I will leave links down below for you for a big discount, so don't miss it. Lastly, if you want to win one of these and try it out for yourself, then leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite feature is and why you want one of these, and I will select a random winner. And if this video helped you out, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next one.